Hey guys, it's Annie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making resin coasters. So I'm trying my hand at working with resin for the first time, and I thought that they turned out super cute. So if you want to know how to cast cherry blossoms or any other types of dried flower in resin, please keep watching. So the first step I did was to use this bathroom sealant to create these molds for the coasters, but that was my mistake number one because this was not 100% silicone. So after I went through the whole process of filling these molds with resin, I realized that I could not mold them at all. So what I did was I shaved off the top to make the surface very flat, and I am going to be using these to make new molds for my resin coasters. So what I am doing is gluing this down into a container, mixing together the two parts to make my liquid rubber, and I am pouring this into the container I have for these molds. And so after I've given them a few hours to cure, you can now mold your molds. So here I am mixing my resin again. I'm just doing equal parts because that is the kind that I bought. And I am separating them into 3 different cups because I'm doing different colors. I'm leaving one clear and then I'm doing the other ones pink and pearl. And this is just mica powder that you can buy on Amazon. I actually have these leftover from my soap making, and you can just use this for resin as well. So I'm starting out with some white, and then I will just be layering this with pink and clear and build as I go, depending on what it looks like. We're going to use a little torch and heat up the surface, and that will get rid of all the bubbles you see in your resin. Now I'm not too happy with my color, so I'm going to mix another color of opaque white. And I think I will like this slightly more than that pearl, which has this yellow sheen to it. Okay, so once that is done, I'm going to decorate this with some dried cherry blossoms, which I have dried ahead of time. And I'm just going to be placing this in the center where I have poured most of my clear resin, so this kind of peeks through. And you want to arrange this in whatever way you want to make it look nice and natural. My suggestion is not to go overboard with the flowers, and it makes it look more delicate. And after you are happy with it, you want to top it off with a bit more of your clear resin just to kind of cast it inside. So after you mold this, you can paint the sides whatever color you would like. For today, I'm going to go with the metallic rose gold because I really like the pink theme. And so this is what it looks like after it's done. And I'm going to put it side by side with the unpainted version so you can kind of see. I definitely prefer the painted one. So there you go, that's how I made my first resin coaster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give this a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for future DIY videos. I'll see you guys next time.